Thinking of leaving stew life behind and becoming a private chef? You wouldn't be the first. In fact, yacht stewardesses are making this transition faster, smarter and more successfully than almost anyone else out there. And in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly why that is, okay? And how you can do the same. So here's the big picture. Getting your first yachting job is tough. Everyone knows that, but once you're already in, you're surrounded by opportunity. And if you're a stew, you've already got your foot firmly in the door. You understand the vibe, the lifestyle, the pressures. That's half the battle, and here's what most people miss. Being a great private chef on yachts isn't just about cooking. It's about service, presentation, organisation, cleanliness, awareness of guests, stress management, communication. Sound familiar? Of course it does, because you're already doing all of that. You're halfway there. Now let's talk about the cooking bit. You don't need years of restaurant experience to do this job well. That's a myth. Some of the best yacht chefs in the world have started their careers without grinding it out on the restaurant treadmill. And stewardesses who switch into cooking bring something the old boys don't. Seriously high standards and well-polished multitasking skills. They plate better, they label better, they clean better, they think ahead, they plan, they know what guests want, and they know how to read the room. And those things are often more important than whether your aioli is hand whisked or not. You also have something most aspiring chefs don't: access. You're already on a boat, you're in and out of the galley and the crew mess. You're seeing how chefs work every day. You can start helping, you can start learning, you can practice in your downtime, you can get feedback, build confidence, ask questions. If you're smart, you can start cooking long before anyone expects you to be a chef. And when the moment comes, you're not starting from scratch. You're already part of the team. But here's the kicker. Chefs can transition off yachts onto land-based jobs without taking a pay cut. Stews can't. Once you're done with yachting, it's incredibly hard to find a land-based job that pays anything like your stew salary. But chefs, they can hop on and off boats, go freelance, you can work seasons or build something of their own. It opens doors. That's why this is such a smart move if you're up for it. So if you're sitting there watching the chef on board and thinking, I could do that, you're probably right. You just need a proper plan. And that's exactly what our private chef career planner is for. It's a free mini workshop and download that helps you map out the move. It shows you what options are out there and how much they all cost. It will show you how to learn fast, build a portfolio, and make your transition smooth and profitable. If you're even remotely tempted to move from tableside to stoveside and start cooking for real, grab the planner and let's get you underway. Thanks for watching. Good luck. See you soon.